You are watching arpagriartist, present by agriculturist Maksudahak. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will share with you 20 beautiful indoor plants that grow easily in water. You don't need soil, just clean water and a glass jar or vase. And you can enjoy these green beauties inside your home. Let's explore which plants are perfect for water propagation and indoor decoration. 20 indoor plants that grow in water. Number 1. Pothos money plant, Epipremnum aureum. Pothos, also called money plant, is one of the easiest plants to grow in water. Just place a stem cutting with 2 or 3 nodes in a jar of water. It roots quickly and grows into beautiful vines. Change the water once a week and keep it in bright, indirect light. It looks stunning in hanging jars or bottles. Number 2. Lucky bamboo, Dracaena sanderiana. Lucky bamboo is a symbol of good fortune. It grows best in a glass vase with pebbles and clean water. Always keep the roots submerged and change the water weekly. Place it in indirect sunlight for healthy growth. It makes a perfect table decoration in tall glass vases. Number 3. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plant produces baby offshoots that root very easily in water. Simply place the plantlets in a jar, and they will grow into new plants. Keep in bright, indirect light, and replace the water weekly. It is also famous for purifying indoor air. 4. Philodendron, Philodendron heteroecium. Heartleaf philodendron is a fast-growing indoor vine. Place stem cuttings in water and watch them root quickly. It prefers medium to low light. Change water weekly to keep it fresh. This plant looks beautiful in glass jars, placed on office desks or kitchen shelves. Number 5. Coleus, Coleus scutellarioides. Coleus is popular for its colorful foliage. Cuttings root easily in water. Keep the jar near a sunny window and change water once a week. Trim regularly to maintain shape. Its bright leaves look attractive in small decorative glass jars. Six. English ivy, Hedera helix. English ivy is a lovely trailing plant that can be grown in bottles of water. Keep it in bright but indirect light. Change the water weekly to keep it healthy. This plant looks especially beautiful in hanging glass containers. Number 7. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallacei. Peace lily can survive in water jars for a long time. Place the roots in clean water and replace it weekly. Keep in low to medium light, avoiding direct sunlight. Its white flowers bring elegance indoors, especially when grown in wide glass bowls. 8. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema spp. Chinese evergreen is a hardy indoor plant with attractive leaves. Cut stems can root easily in water. Keep the jar in a low-light corner of your home. Replace water weekly. It looks elegant in tall glass vases and needs very little care. 9. Arrowhead plant, Syngonium podophyllum. Arrowhead plant grows beautifully in water. Place cuttings in a jar and keep them near indirect light. Change the water once a week. Its arrow-shaped leaves make it an excellent choice for decorating study tables or living rooms. 10. Wandering Jew, inch plant, Tradescantia zebrina. This plant has purple and green striped leaves. It roots quickly in water and spreads fast. Keep in bright, indirect sunlight and change water weekly. It looks stunning in small hanging bottles or decorative jars. 11. Sweet potato vine, Ipomoea batatas. A sweet potato tuber placed in a jar of water will sprout beautiful green vines. Keep it near sunlight for best growth. Replace water weekly. It is perfect for decorating balconies and kitchens in glass containers. Number 12. Basil Ocimum basilicum. Basil is one of the most popular kitchen herbs. Place cuttings in a jar of water and they will root easily. Keep near a sunny window and change the water weekly. This plant is useful for cooking and looks fresh in kitchen vases. Number 13. Mint Mentha spp. Mint is very easy to grow in water. Place fresh cuttings in a glass jar with clean water. Replace water every 5 to 7 days. Keep in indirect light. It is refreshing, useful in tea or cooking, and looks great in small bottles. Number 14. Rosemary, Salvia rosmarinus. Rosemary is a fragrant herb that can root in water jars. Place it in bright light or near a sunny window. Replace the water once a week. It makes a beautiful and aromatic kitchen decoration in clear glass vases. Oregano, Origanum vulgare. Oregano cuttings grow well in water, especially when kept near sunlight. Change water weekly for best results. It is a useful herb for cooking and looks charming in small decorative jars. Number 16. Thyme, Thymus vulgaris. Thyme grows nicely in water jars with regular care. Keep it in bright light and change the water weekly. Its tiny leaves bring freshness to indoor spaces. Looks perfect in mini jars on kitchen windows. Begonia sp. Both foliage and flowering begonias can grow in water. Place cuttings in a jar near indirect light. Change the water weekly. Their colorful leaves and flowers make them excellent decorative plants in glass bowls. '18 Fiddle leaf fig, cuttings, Ficus laerata. Fiddle leaf fig is a trendy houseplant. Its cuttings can be rooted in water before planting in soil. Place the jar in bright but indirect sunlight. Replace water weekly. It looks stylish in tall glass vases. ZZR plant cuttings, Samioculcas zamifolia. ZZ plant cuttings root slowly in water but look very elegant in glass jars. Place in indirect light and change water weekly. Its shiny green leaves make it a beautiful indoor decoration. '20 Snake plant cuttings, Sansevieria trifasciata. Snake plant leaves can survive in water for months. Place cuttings in a jar of clean water and change weekly. Keep in indirect light. This plant is low maintenance and looks modern in tall glass vases or bottles. So these were 20 amazing indoor plants that can grow beautifully in water. They are easy to care for, look elegant in glass jars, and bring freshness to your home. Try growing some of them and enjoy your own indoor water garden. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to arpagriartist for more gardening and plant videos. See you in the next one.